Alright, so we're already here at Uconn Car Show, and so many people are already rolling out. Show didn't even start yet. Easily over 200 cars, for sure. We're here at the staggered booth, Lock City. My boy Jimmy Oaks out here posting up.
We out here, boy!
Oh yeah, dude, there's so many people out here.
I'm so happy with I'm so happy with or the R32, not so GTR.
Not so GTR, Joe. We don't have money for that yet.
No, not yet, not yet.
Yeah.
It's just a daily.
Just a daily. We were gonna do a little stance edit, but there's way too many cars, so I figured it'd be better if I just walk in, get everybody. Oh shit, what up, it's Josh! And it's Hector, everybody's out here. Alright, I'm about to catch a ride, cause NSX boy. Very nice. Hey, a fellow R32 brother. Man, this is still the line, dude. Slideways Miata. Yo, this could be you for the right price. Girls giving them what up. She's that little dick. Alright, so this is how you get your Uber driver. You got your Uber driver and you're just chilling in the back seat like that. There you go, boy. This color right here. He's trying to get eliminated while waiting. Like it. Word. No, it's all good. This color though, this is the color the 240 needs to be right here. And he backed it out. Hey, okay. Could be Kadeem, but he's playing games. You already know. This could be Kadeem too, but he's still playing games. These are like one of the most underrated cars. I feel like everybody loves it. You can buy them for cheap. They're so heavy and everything, but look at this. Another one.
This one. I want to hear this horn, just from the setup of this horn.
I want one of the CAA team.
That'd be so
This thing is so sick. Literally one, and where's the other one? The other one's like right over there.
And then look at right behind you.
And we have another clean ass S13.
They have a full-size spare. I respect that.
MR2.
That's
It's MR2.
240SX motoring did like a legit ass job on this
There
car.
was.
Yeah, no. I love this tube frame.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Yo, what up, team? Okay, making big moves out here. Oh, it's by Lock City, like one of the booths over there. I'll see you over there. Thanks, man. Oh, Laguna Seca over here.
This is probably my favorite Subaru. I see this is my favorite.
Got Angel out here making moves in his effort. Nice clean Supra. This shit's nice. We have the R33 right here. Fucking midnight purple.
Oh my god.
Park next to the R32 midnight purple. To the left.
That's how you know people.
Look at the plates.
He came here all.
Hey, he's going to the left.
He came here all the way from New York, literally just to.
We're gonna get him to go down there.
I need my Miata. Should I just back up for a little bit?
Yeah.
Like, look at
Just max it out. That's it.
I should just sell both my motors, get an RB26.
So Berta, not wanting exhaust. All right, but like, look at that Miata.
Oh, we got Johnny back out here.
Oh, that's like I'm going. That's like some goddamn.
Oh, what the hell is that? All the way down there.
When you live on the top
So the fire department.
Put your house on fire. I love
my daily goal. Right?
This is daily goal. Like if I had to choose any American car, in a heartbeat.
Kids, get your ass in the fucking car right now. We're going to soccer.
If you late to practice, just know you're not hopping the caddy.
Nils just came out here with 2J, 1J?
1J, what up,
right?
dude?
What up? Damn, this shit came out good.
Thanks, dude. Yep.
Shit came out really good.
Paint yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn, he did a good ass job on it.
Yeah.
It's the same one.
This is the one that you were telling me to see. Hello, brother.
R32 versus R32.
Nah, his is a GTR though, so this shit'll take mine. Damn, look at this shit, dude.
Someday.
Oh yeah, we saw it.
It's bigger than mine. I don't feel bad about myself anymore.
Yeah, you made fun of me for having a Ford Cannon.
Shit, it's Mr. Lou himself. Yeah. You guys want to park right here?
Yeah, I mean.
Or you're gonna park right there? Oh, Benny and them are right here. We found Benny out here. Oh, Claude made it with his Z32. VH swap boys. What up?
Oh my god, dude, what's up?
What's going on?
It's been a minute.
Yeah, he made it out here. Oh, Bobby parked right here too. Oh, he did the overs?
See that front fender? You didn't want to see the front fender, bitch.
Oh shit! Just put like a little mesh thing right there.
That's right.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh,
fuck
dude,
yeah. Straight out Japan, boy. Straight from the rice factory. Yeah. See, as you can tell, there's still people are still coming in. It's like 11 o'clock, I think, right now. Hey, we're live, boys. What's going on? This color right here. Changes. Clean Mark III. And what, that Mark III? Hey, we're gonna make our way over there. We got Johnny out here. Put green headlights on. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's funny, it's like I see Lambos and Ferraris and shit, and I'm like, whatever. But then I see a 240 and it's just like, hell yeah. Good shit. Be sure to follow these guys on YouTube, for sure. Damn. Ooh, I like this color.
S14 motor, S15 turbo. It's nothing special.
This is where you were saying it was leaking gasket over there?
Right back there. You can actually see it.
Yeah. Oh, they like weld. What up, DK?
We all gotta give some credit to the Monster Brothers. Because, like, they come in hard every year. These guys are from our town, too.
Yeah. This is Ryan. Right?
Yeah, you know Ryan Monster?
Yep. Yes. Damn, okay, kooky gang out here, boy. This could be me right here, but I'm playing games.